Hey, I'm Ryan with Hornet Discovers, and today we're going to be looking at the Synology RS422 Plus. I've been meaning to upgrade my NAS that I have downstairs, and it's not rack mounted, so I was looking for a rack mounted NAS that I could replace with the 2-bay that I currently have, and this one fits the bill. It's basically the lowest rack mounted model that Synology has. It's just a 1U sized rack mounted NAS. Everything else they have I think is like 2-bay or more. Way overkill with what I'm looking for. This has 4 bays, 2 1 gig Ethernet ports for aggregation, failover support, things like that, and a much more upgraded processor than I have in my current really old DS213J. This has a AMD Ryzen, which is a dual core processor, 2 gigs of RAM. I think the other one I have is only like 256 or something. Unfortunately, the one drawback is you can't upgrade the RAM in this model, but you can upgrade the network cards. You can actually add a 10 gig network card. And so the one I have actually came with that installed. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box. Got the power cable. We have the 10 gig network module, which would have came in here, already pre-installed. It does not come by default. This is an additional add-on. So next thing we have is the mounting hardware. So the quick installation guide just tells you how to take the hard drives in and out, how to put the rack gears on, things like that, installation. You know, the 2.5 and 3.5 screws. We have the rack gears. Also have a drive key, so you can actually lock the drives in each bay. Then we have the device itself. You can see here it's the 1U size. It has the 4 different bays. You can open up each bay, hot swappable, install your 3.5 or 2.5 inch drive there. You can see the little area in each one of the hard drive spaces where you can actually lock it with the key that comes with it. LEDs at the top to tell you your hard drive status and power status, and any sort of audible alarm indications, things like that. And then on the back, you can see you have the power supply cable inlet here, and then the 2 gigabit Ethernet ports on the back, a serial port, 10 gigabit network card addition. And then we also have the 3.2 Gen USB port in the back as well. So I hope this gives you a good overview. I'm looking forward to upgrading to this. It'll be a huge step up, especially with the fact that my other NAS only supports 10/100 speeds, and this will support gigabit and 10 gig now with the network card upgrade. So this will be a great upgrade for the network and backups, and I'm looking forward to installing it. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and see you next time.